In this video, EIDL loans in bankruptcy. The biggest question you have to ask yourself is, do I have a personal guarantee? Why is that important? Well, you might have gotten this EIDL loan and not have a personal guarantee. So what does that mean? If you have an EIDL loan with no personal guarantee, the government, when you default on this loan, can only go after your company. But if your company is insolvent, if your company is closed, if you've walked away from your company, how can they go after your company? The answer is they can't. And even if they try to, what do you care? So if you do not have a personal guarantee, you may be able to walk away from the business and walk away from this EIDL loan unscathed. That's number one. If you have a personal guarantee, then you have to personally protect yourself. And then you start looking into bankruptcy options. Now, how do I know if I have a personal guarantee? The number one giveaway is how big the loan is. If the loan is $150,000 or less, it is most likely that you do not have a personal guarantee. If the loan is $150,000 or more, it is more likely that you have a personal guarantee. I hesitate to say always, so please go look at your loan documents or contact the SBA and say, I need a copy of my loan documents. Did I sign a personal guarantee? If you call any lawyer with EIDL issues, a loan that's about to go in default or is in default, and you're trying to figure out what to do, the first question, or the first of a few questions they should be asking you is, do I have a personal guarantee, or do you have a personal guarantee? Okay, so you have to understand what your liability is before you can determine what to do with an EIDL loan in bankruptcy. Can you discharge it in bankruptcy? Of course, it's an unsecured loan, but you got to figure out if you qualify. Do you qualify for bankruptcy? And if so, is it Chapter 7 or Chapter 13? That's when it starts to get a little complex. And the other thing you should remember for EIDL loans is make sure you have some accounting of where those funds went. The government may ask for that in a bankruptcy. What you don't want to happen, right? What you don't want to happen is you go file bankruptcy and they go, okay, well, let me see what happened with that money. Oh, well, I took the $500,000 and I invested it in cryptocurrency, and then the crypto market crashed and I lost all my money. That's You got to be careful with that, because they could try to file a non-dischargeability action and say that this EIDL loan is not dischargeable because you used it for improper purposes. Those EIDL loans are business purpose loans. Read your loan documents, contact an attorney, have them read your loan documents. If you're getting value from this video, please click like. That's our exchange. You click like, you click subscribe. I give you this information, which is for informational purposes only, for free. That is our agreement. No, I'm just joking. Just keep that in mind. If you're in California, you have questions about EIDL and how it intersects with bankruptcy, please give us a ring. Sternberg Law Group. We are here to help you. Thank you so much.